Hello, thank you for joining me today and learning about how to use ClubRunner. In this video, we will be going over the basics of using ClubRunner's Website Live Designer to manage and design your club's website homepage. In order to access the Website Live Designer, an access level of 30 Site Administrator is required on club websites, while the Administrator access right is required on any district websites. To begin, we will first need to log into your club or district's member area. Once you have logged in, click on New Website Beta in the top blue navigation menu, and then Homepage Designer in the secondary menu just below. Once you are here, you will notice a few different sections. On the left-hand side, you will see a live preview of your website, so that you can see exactly what your website will look like as you continue to edit it. On the right-hand side is where you will find all of your different website options, including content widgets, themes, and layouts. First, let's select our theme. This will change the general look and feel of your website. On the right-hand side of the page, click on the Themes button. After clicking on the Themes button, you will see several different themes that are available for you to choose from. With each theme, you have a couple of different color options as well. Clicking on the individual color options will update your website theme within the website designer. I recommend checking out each available theme and picking your favorite. After selecting your website theme, we can then pick out our website layout. This will change how and where you can place your content widgets to appear on your page. To access your website layouts, go ahead and click on the Layouts button. From here, you'll see a number of different layouts that are available for you to choose from. My favorites are full width top band above left or right sidebar, which is what we currently have selected, or full width top double middle and bottom with 3 columns. These layouts provide a nice combination of areas where you can place your widgets on your page. However, just like the website theme, I recommend playing around with each template and selecting the one that will fit your content the best. When changing your website layout, you may notice these Drop Here sections that appear on the left-hand side preview of your webpage. These are the areas where you can place your widgets on your website. These are determined by the layout that you are choosing, so it's important to select one that you like. Now to begin adding content to our website, go ahead and click on the Content button. This will provide us with all of our available widgets. All we have to do is click and drag on a specific widget on the right-hand side menu onto the live preview of our website into one of the Drop Here bands. Depending on the layout that we have selected, we'll change where these widgets can be placed, and which will be displayed on the live preview by a gray outline with the text Drop Here. Let's go ahead and add a few widgets. I'm going to add the meeting information, homepage stories, and upcoming events widgets just by clicking and dragging each widget onto the live designer. Once these widgets have been placed, you can edit the information displayed within them by hovering your mouse cursor over the widget and clicking on the Edit icon. This will bring you to the widget's corresponding page, where you can begin to adjust the content that is displayed. For example, clicking on the Homepage Stories widget will bring you to the Story widget page, where you can select or create stories to appear within the widget. For the Upcoming Events widget, however, you will instead be brought to the Event Planner module, where you can go about editing existing events or creating new ones. Once they've been created, they will start to appear within the widget itself. Now that we've added some widgets to our homepage, we can use the preview within the Website Live Designer to take a look at how our website will look once we've fully published all of these changes. However, if you would like to take a look at how your page can appear on various different types of devices, like mobile devices for example, this can be done as well. At the top of the Website Live Designer, you will see 3 different icons, which will allow you to preview how your page will appear on these different types of devices. In particular, You can take a look at what your website will look like on a regular computer, a tablet device, or a mobile phone. Simply click on the icon for the device you would like to preview. Once you are done, click on the Edit button to return to the Live Designer. Please note that when working within the website Live Designer, your changes will have no effect on your website's current homepage until they have been published. This way, you can continue to change and update your website on the backend without affecting your public live website. Once you are happy with your changes, scroll to the top of the website Live Designer page and click on the Publish button. This will finalize all of your changes and appear on your live website. You'll also get a nice little confirmation message to confirm that your changes have been published successfully. Now that we have published all of our changes, we can click on the View Live Page button to navigate back to our public homepage. Thank you again for joining me today and learning about the basics of using the website Live Designer. I hope all of this information was extremely helpful for you. Take care.